This is our 1990 Catalina 42, a popular boat among cruising sailors due to her sailing comfort and performance. The hull of the 42 is a proven design that is easily driven and performs well during club racing. She has the 3-cabin, 2-head layout that's well suited for entertaining friends locally as well as cruising to your dream destination. The interior of the boat is known for its light and airy feel with more than enough opening hatches and windows. Features include marine air conditioning, Garmin Chartplotter, beautiful interior woodwork, and much more. She has had a ton of updates this year, so take a look at the listing for all the details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 1990 Catalina 42. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.